Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Anthea, and on my channel I create videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content. So if you enjoy hauls, reviews, unboxings, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now with all that being said, let's get on with the video. So in today's video I wanted to take you through my relatively small luxury jewellery collection. A lot of these have been purchased over the years, some are gifts, some I've picked up resale, pre-loved, that kind of thing. So I wanted just to show you guys basically what I've got, and I have a new item that I picked up a few months ago that I wanted to unbox with you. So if you're interested to see what I picked up from Tiffany's, please do make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because it will be the last piece I'm going to show you. Strategic move. So let's get on with the very first piece. So I will be doing cutaways of these just so that you can see the detail a little bit more close, just because I feel like the lights I've got here may blow them out a little bit. So for everything I do show you, I will show you the cutaway, so you, as I said, repeat myself so you can see the detail on them. So the first item is this Christian Dior J'adore friendship length bracelet. Now this is a purchase that I picked up myself. I picked this up pre-loved on Vestiaire Collective. I actually picked this up on eBay and I've had this for a few months. I've always really loved the friendship bracelets by Dior. I just love I like the colours. Ideally I am after there's a blue one. I think there's a blue and white one that I really want. And I've not managed to find that as yet pre-loved, but in future wise, if I can't find it pre-loved, I might just purchase it myself full price. But what I will say with this, when I've found them on pre-loved websites, they tend to be quite expensive still, and in all fairness, some of the prices that they're asking for pre-loved, I think you get two when you buy them from Dior anyway, so you get two friendship bracelets, and I'm assuming the premises on that is that you keep one and you give one to your friends, so therefore friendship bracelets. So if I can't find the blue one that I want at a good price pre-loved, then it probably would make better sense for me to pick it up on the actual Dior website. But I absolutely love this. I wear this all the time. Just so easy to wear as well. You just pop it on and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, that's number one. As I say, it's I do love the colours on this, like pink and stuff. So yeah. And next, sticking with Dior, I feel like I have a bit of a thing for Dior. A lot of my pieces, well, I've got a few pieces from Dior, and it's not intentional. I just really love their fashion jewellery. So I picked up these tribal earrings. So this is a little pouch thing that it comes in, and I picked these up these were from Vestiaire Collective. So again, I'll show you the close up, and these are the tribal earrings. So it's gold on top, gold looking coloured on top, and then silver. And I just absolutely love the simplicity of these earrings. I think they're just a beautiful classic. It's so easy to wear as well. I like a statement earring. I do like a lot of piercings. I have a lot of piercings in my ears. Only in my ears do I have piercings, and I just love these Dior earrings. I think, again, as I said, they're really beautiful. Just a really simple piece to wear. You can wear them with anything. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, casual wear, evening wear, however you want to wear these. I think they're a fantastic piece for your collection. So yeah, these are one of my prized possessions. I just adore them, absolutely adore them. So yeah, I can't really say much more than that. I think you get the gist. I really like these ones. So yeah, these are my Dior tribal earrings. And again, I promise this isn't a Dior haul. However, I do have another pair of these are the Dior tribal earrings. Now these are a lot smaller, and they have like crystals on. These were a gift from my mister. We went shopping. Where did we go? I think it was Bicester Village. He drives me crazy, but he's an absolute darling. He drove us all the way to Bicester Village from Manchester. it was some hours, just because I wanted to go shopping there. So whilst we were there and just wandering around the stores, he surprisingly bought me these, which are absolutely stunning. They've got the moon and the stars on there. I'm assuming it was part of their collection, but I feel like in Bicester Village they do, I don't want to say, what's the word I'm looking for? They do maybe older seasons, or stuff that you potentially, that they don't want to be selling in the store anymore. I think they place there. I may be wrong, that's just my gist of how that would potentially work. So we managed to pick these up, and I absolutely do adore them. Beautiful little pink colour, really girly and sweet. So just again, another really lovely pair of earrings to kind of, to my collection. So again, as I say, another pair of Dior, but I just love the tribal earrings. So there you go, yeah. And then next we have a necklace. I've done a haul on this. I'll actually pop the haul either, in one of the cards on, and I'll pop it in the description bar if you're interested. Now this is a chunky chain from, it's tarnished a little bit. Ooh, that's not very good, is it? From what she called Laura Lombardi. I picked this up on, I think it was Farfetch. It was either Farfetch or Matches. As I say, I'll pop the video in one of the links so you can have a look. And it was just this really nice chunky necklace, similar to the one I've got on now. This one is from Misoma, and I just wanted something a little bit longer. So as you can see, this one is just a little bit longer, and you can wear it in different ways. So I really like this. Wasn't too badly priced, wasn't too mega expensive compared to some of the other pieces, but I just feel like it was a really nice addition to my jewellery collection. So I can't get the bloody thing clasped back now, but yeah, so there you go. So as I say, this is the Laura Lombardi chain. I get anything that I can find. I should have said this at the beginning of the video, however I didn't, but anything I can find, I will pop links to everything in the description box so you can take a look, or a closer look for yourself. But yeah, so yeah, I do like that. I've not wore this yet. However, I did notice a little bit of tarnishing on here. Nothing crazy, but considering I've not worn it and it has been in the bag the whole time, I'm a bit like, But yeah, it's not gold, so I suppose it is gonna tarnish in some respects, isn't it? But yeah, so that's that one. And then next we've got these. Now, these little earrings, right? I kid you not, I've had these earrings probably over 15 years, and I'm not exaggerating. These are a Dior little drop earring. Again, as I say, I will do close-ups. And my sister bought me these for, I think it was a birthday, over 15 years ago. And they are in fantastic condition. The silver's still silver. Obviously it's not, sterling silver, but the condition of these are still fantastic. I still wear them. It's a really nice little memento. Is it memento? Yeah. Like little memento. It's just sweet to have a pair of earrings that my sister bought, so every time I wear them I do think of her. So yeah, my little Dior earrings. I don't know if she remembers. I think I asked her once, I said, do you remember these earrings? She's like, I'm not too sure, it's been that long. So, but I remember where I got these from, because I didn't buy these. But yeah, so I do love these, my little vintage. Would you class it as vintage? Over 15 years, I think so. But yeah, so a really good buy, these little ones. And then next we have a little, well, I say a little, it's a Tiffany, what's it called, necklace. So it's the return to Tiffany, please return to Tiffany pendant, and then it comes on this sterling silver, like, I don't even know what you'd class it. It looks like a lanyard kind of thing, like when you have your pass at work or what have you. It looks a bit like that, however it's clearly not. It looks like it's a bit jiggy. See, a lot of this stuff I've not worn for a long time, so now I've pulled it out of my drawer, I'm looking at them a little bit closer, I'm like, oh, that looks a bit, that looks a bit more. But again, this is in pretty good condition. It needs a bit of a clean. It doesn't look too bad now, but because obviously when stuff's stored away, it can get a little bit tarnished. But this, I think I picked this up. I want to say I picked this up I did pick this up in New York. I've never bought anything from Tiffany in the UK other than the item that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned, because you don't want to miss what I'm going to show you. Okay? Okay. So this I picked up in one of my visits to New York, and it's a really beautiful, beautiful piece. The only thing I will say with this, I don't wear it as much because it's very long. It more or less comes down to like past my chest area, and it is almost like it's a lanyard that you wear for work, so I don't tend to wear it. I know I probably could, you know, double wrap it or something, you know, something like that, maybe, you know, maybe I could, I might give that a try, but I just don't reach for it that much because it is that long. But, you know, I keep it in my collection because again, it's a little memento from when I was able to travel to New York. One of my favourite places in the whole wide world, and I'm hoping to be going there 2022, yeah, because we're in 2021 now. I'm 21, yeah, 21. So in 2022, hoping to go there again for a nice long visit, because it's been a few years since I've been. So I will be making the most of it for 2022. But yeah, so again, that just brings back memories from my past trips to New York. So yeah, loving it. So that's that. And then next we have another Dior piece. As I say, I have a thing for Dior, which I didn't even realise I had a thing for Dior until I noticed all the Dior pieces that I've got, and all the Dior pieces that I tend to gravitate to. And this is the, I'd have to put the name on this one. I really don't know what the name is, but it is a kind of like choker style necklace with the CD logo on there. Now I picked this up on eBay. I did do a lot of research to make sure that it was a genuine piece. It looks genuine. I'm not going to say 100% that it is. I believe it is, and the seller that sold it to me, the reputation was really good. There was no issues of, like, you know, fakes and stuff. Weight wise, it feels exactly how it should. I have been onto like the interweb and checked against fakes and what to look out for, and there is no indication whatsoever that this is a, you know, copy. So I am wearing this as a genuine Christian Dior piece. Okay, so as you can say, this I just love. For me, it's just the really, I don't know if you can see it, sorry if you can't, but I am going to do cutaways, but it's just that little CD part. To me, I feel like for me, jewellery, when it comes to, I like a little bit of a statement of jewellery every now and again, but I must admit, I feel like a lot of my pieces, I gravitate to simplicity. I suppose just because that's how my style is. I do like to kind of keep things simple. When I need to kind of turn it up, then, you know, I can turn it up, but overall I just like really simple, easy to wear pieces. And I feel like majority of the stuff that I've shown you so far, is a lot of it is just really easy to wear stuff. I don't really have to think about it. Now a lot of the stuff I haven't worn, and that's more so because I don't really go anywhere. And obviously a lot of people haven't gone anywhere over the last year, you know, year and a half, what have you, but in general I don't really go many places, but I like to have nice things when I do want to go anywhere. I've got some stuff to, you know, obviously rock, so I do absolutely love this Dior piece. So yeah, it's, yeah, one of my faves, one of my many faves. So last in the collection, and then next I'm going to show you what I picked up from Tiffany. So last in my jewellery collection, this is a relatively new piece. Again, I did a video on this, so I will make sure I link it in the cards and in the description box down below so you can take a look at it. But this is a Tory Burch, like bangle, I suppose you'd call it. Now this is, I love obviously the Cartier bracelet. I don't have Cartier money, however I liked the look, so I thought, you know what can I do that will give me a similar look for a lot less money, and I managed to find this Tory Burch bracelet. So I really do like this. I've got this just, I think, did I get this in rose gold? I want to say it looks more like rose gold than gold, but sometimes depending on rose gold or gold in the lighting, it's difficult to tell. It doesn't say on the tag. No, it doesn't say on the tag, so I can't really say. But I absolutely adore this. I wouldn't mind getting an extra one just for stacking purposes, but for the time being, I do wear this quite a bit actually. I really enjoy wearing this Tory Burch piece. Not too badly priced, as I say, in comparisons to the 5,000 plus tag for the Cartier bracelet. this is a steal. So I would say if you're interested in the Cartier bracelet and you don't have Cartier money, then I think this one would be a really good alternative, because again, it's really good quality. As I say, it's got a very similar look. Obviously it's not a Cartier bracelet, but again, it's just the look I like. So I'm not, you know, mad pressed that it's not Cartier. Don't get me wrong, I'd love one, but that's not the season of my life I'm in right now. I can't afford a Cartier bracelet, so yes. So I have this one instead, and I'm happy with this one. Okay. And then we have the unboxing. Now, I kid you not, I've had this in this bag, in a corner. I have the receipt here. Let's just see when I bought this. Right, when did I buy this? Why have I not got the bloody date on it? Oh, it's on the other side. I bought this in September. October. Oh, it's not too long ago. It feels long ago, but you know, October, September. So it comes in, I don't know if anyone's aware, but this is the box it comes in, and little, let's see, it's not even opened. And obviously I know what it is, so I didn't feel the need to open it. But here we have. So I'll undo the little bow. It's beautifully, you know, obviously packaged and stuff. So here we are. And ooh, then it comes in a nice little bag. Again, I'll do like close-ups of this because the lights are washing everything out, but yeah, it comes in a little bag, and then it's got this like little foam stuff in it, and then it comes in a nice little pouch with Tiffany Co on it. Ooh. I don't know if you can guess what it is. Oh, these are stunning. So, you're not going to be able to see them like this, but I will do close-ups. So basically, I picked up the Return to Tiffany stud earrings. Sad story, I actually owned these before, and I picked them up in New York when again, one of my trips that I went. However, when I was working in, I was working in Glasgow, and I'm sure I had them with me, and I'm sure I put them in my purse. But when I moved back to Manchester, could I find them? Heck to the no. And I didn't really want to purchase them again, so I have spent the last year and a half trying to find them, to no avail. So I thought, you know what, I really wanted to replace them, so I treated myself and picked them up, as I say, last month, so to add them back into my collection. Because again, as I've said obviously in the video, I kind of like to really keep it as simple, my jewellery as simple as possible, again, just because it's easy to wear. So those are beyond simple. Again, just a really nice stud. Obviously I don't have them in, so I don't even know why I'm showing my ear. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so that is the unboxing of those. So everyone, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, me taking you through my relatively small jewellery, luxury jewellery collection. So if you have any questions on anything at all, please do leave them in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And all that being said, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.